You know, Senator Cherargei has said that I'm a playwright and I should take some tutorials from Senator Malala. And thank you for identifying that particular potential in me. But Senator Cherargei he does very well with mischief. He's the kind of person that in the house will, when he doesn't want to vote for a bill, he will just start shouting, and when he's told, Senator Cherargei, please take your seat, he will not, he will shout even the more, so that he's kicked out by the speaker. So I think he also needs to write a book on how to be mischievous, especially in the house, and how also
you need to protect him.
Remember,
as the moderator.
Remember Senator Cherargei?
It's okay.
Was used as a spy by President Ruto, and he used to follow Rigiji all the time when he was deputy president. And he used to speak like he was Rigiji's friend. But now you know he's a spy. He was a spy. And so he can also write that in his book, After Mischief, then how to spy and to report back to the master. So many people, I mean, they have talked about that Senator. I've listened to Wakili and he's saying that Orengo is not an activist in Siaya. He should not be talking about human rights violation. I just wanted to remind Wakili, and being a lawyer, of course, he should know that you are first a citizen and then senator, governor, Wakili, or something like that. Yeah. And so as a citizen of Kenya, you have a right to speak. Any citizen, you have a right in your capacity as a citizen. Yep. You have a right to speak against the violation of human rights in any place and to anybody. You know, I've listened to Wakili also talk about the age of leaders, that Anyang' Nyong'o is 81.
Which Wakili? We are three?
No.
Okay.
You are senator, he's senator. Wakili Nyamori.
Okay. I hope you're going to do a comparative analysis
between
your,
coming to that, Wakili.
Your governors and ours.
Yes. And in fact, I'm with you in that argument that older leaders should give room to younger leaders.
Correct.
But he did not say whether Raila Amolo Odinga also, who is 80 years this year, he did not tell us whether he avoided telling us that Raila Odinga then, following the same argument, should cede leadership to the younger generation. That he would say, because he's interested in a political seat. So when we sit here, we are just pontificating about things, but we are not honest with ourselves. Okay. You know, Wakili here, you will see a professional, but he's a politician. That's why he avoids saying Baba should also go home, as Nyong'o and Orengo go home. He has, you know, I watched Wakili